Identify the features of different student loans and compute the finance charge and monthly payment on a student loan. Antonio has just graduated from 4 years of college. For the last 2 years, he took out a Stafford loan to pay for his tuition. Each loan had a duration of 10 years and interest compounded monthly. Antonio will pay each of them back, making monthly payments starting as he graduates. Antonio's loans are detailed in the table below. Once all of his loans are paid off, what will Antonio's total lifetime costs be? Round all dollar values to the nearest cent. Well, let's figure out how much he pays in total for the subsidized loan in his junior year and the unsubsidized loan in his senior year and add them together. So to figure out how much he's paid, let's look at his junior year first, which is his subsidized loan. And we're going to use, since it's subsidized, just the payment formula listed here. It's very straightforward. Let's just substitute in what we know from the problem. The loan amount, which is our present value, is $5,894 times our interest rate, which is 6.9, so I have 0.069 divided by 12 because it tells me it's compounded monthly, all over 1 minus 1 plus the same I, 0.069 divided by 12 to the negative n. And again, it's 12 payments a year for 10 years, so I have negative 120. So I go ahead and calculate that out, and his payments for his junior year are $68.13. We want to find out how much he pays in total. So we go ahead and take that $68.13 and multiply it by 120 because that's how many payments he'll make in the course of the loan. So we get a grand total of $8,175.60. Now that was for his junior year. Now let's look at his senior year. Since his senior year is a unsubsidized loan, first we need to figure out how much interest gets added to the loan amount out for the actually it's just 1 year in this case because it's his senior year. So how much interest for 1 year he has to add on to the original loan amount. So to do that, we use this formula right here. So I just substitute in the loan amount for my P, which is $5,258 times 1 plus R, which is your rate, 0.075 divided by 12 because there are 12, since it's compounded monthly, 12 months in the year. And this is all raised to the total amount, so we know that he's making, it's compounded 12 times a year, but it's only his senior year, so it's only for 1 year. So 12 times 1 is just 12. Okay, this gives you $5,666.19. This is how much at the end of the year the loan is going to be. So now we take this amount and we go back into the payment formula and figure out how much his payments will be for the 10 years once he graduates college. So I go ahead and substitute that into the formula and put it right here. And then I multiply that by my I, which is 0.075 divided by 12, all over 1 minus 1 plus 0.075 divided by 12, raised to the negative 120. Hopefully you can see that there, negative 120. Okay, so you calculate this and you find that for his senior year, his monthly payments are $67.26. And again, we have to multiply this by 120 to find how much for the lifetime of the loan, which gives us $8,071.20. To find the total, I just have to add his junior year and his senior year together. So I have to add both of these together right here, and I get $16,246.80. And this is how much Antonio will have to pay back for the 2 loans that he took out his junior and senior year of college. The objectives